In this video, I will show you how you can show the live match score on navbar on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. On this page, just tap on Navbar and from here, just tap on See All. Now after you arrive on this page, now just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for Sports from Google. Now just tap on it, then enable this toggle. Now after you enable Sports from Google, then just tap on Sports from Google Settings. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the league or the team which you want to follow. Just like that. Now after you have selected the team or the league which you want to follow, now if you go to your lock screen, you will be able to see the live match score on the navbar of your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.